All right, everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the Profit Cleaners podcast. And actually, guys, this is going to be a different episode than normal. We're talking about the live event. We're opening the doors in Albuquerque once again, behind the scenes to our $5 million cleaning empire. And we want you guys to be part of it. This might be one of the last times we do this. We've done this in the past multiple times. So we really, I think, have it dialed in, Brandon. But let's tell them a little bit about the live event. It's coming up in October. We want you guys to be part of it, and it's going to be an amazing time for networking, for growing your business, getting inspired, and just going back to take it next level. So let's tell them a little bit more about it, Brandon, and why they should be part of this amazing event with us.
Yeah, so this will be the third one, and so we keep getting better at each one. Is this the third one? It's the third one, right?
This will be the third or fourth, yeah, something like that. I don't know. We're getting close.
I think it's the third one.
Yeah.
So this time we even learned more from the last one, but we're trying to give you as much advance notice as possible. So you have like 67 days from the day that we're recording this before it'll go. So hopefully that's enough time to rearrange schedules. But people ask us why we do this all the time. And, we just see a lot of you guys struggle with basic things. It's the same problems over and over and over again. And we found in the past that having people come see the operation of a multi-million-dollar cleaning company is clarifying for people. You can see how we do it. It's not rocket science. It's not magic. There's simple things behind the scene, and I think seeing it in real time and real life is very helpful for me.
Yeah, I think that was one of the things a lot of the students at the last event said. They were like, wow, this is like simpler than I thought, or like the things that they thought we were making really complicated, we weren't doing those things. We were just simplifying things. And so really it's no BS, no filters, no like perfect presentations. It's really just the raw behind the scenes, see the business as it is. You see the teams, you get introduced to our whole internal team. You get to see everything behind the scenes, and everything that took us from 0 to 7 figures, right? And see it in person, and it just makes it a lot more tangible, a lot more genuine, a lot more real. Yeah, we're tired of seeing you guys struggle, and it's always a good time. We always walk away with a really, really, like, I think a lot of the people that come to these events, they're like lifelong friends, and they'll be in this mastermind with us for a long time to come as they grow. So it's really fun. It's really good relationship building in the network, other people doing the same business as you. So you get to surround yourself with people winning. But yeah, everyone's, there's courses out there, there's PDFs, there's YouTube. We live in an amazing time. But I think, when you really come in person, it's going to be a much different experience. It's going to be the actual processes, the actual team doing the work, real hands-on. And this is you seeing actually what's possible, right? And instead of just playing small and keep doing, what you're doing, staying in your own lane. So so let's tell them what they're really getting, Brandon, like kind of what we do at the event.
I do want to go back to you're seeing the raw, unfiltered stuff. I remember when we did the first one, I was like, we're going to have to clean up so much stuff around the office to make it look presentable. And someone was like, don't do that. Like, let us see what it actually looks like day to day. And that's how we've done every event. So you will come in, there will be some broken vacuum pieces by the front door, probably from whatever happened yesterday. And, we're not trying to polish it up. So you guys were putting on a false front. You're going to see all the nitty gritty and, what it takes to run the cleaning company. So what do you get for this thing? It's a 3-day mastermind meeting, essentially in person. We're going to have 3 8+ hour days together. One of the favorite highlights for everyone is you get this facility walkthrough, a tour of our building, of the cars, of the tools, of the warehouse, the laundry system. We're going to walk you through the whole space. And I remember we budgeted like half an hour for it the last time, and it took 2 hours because we let you guys steer it. Ask whatever questions you want. We're an open book, happy to answer questions for you. So that was a big part of it. The next one is we will do a cleaning, like a real cleaning in my brother's house. Usually is where we do it. So we'll take the team up there. Everyone can observe and ask questions of the team while they're doing it. You can see the choreography of the system looks like as each person moves through the jobs. That takes a little bit longer than a normal clean, but we're trying to treat it as a normal clean as much as possible so that you can see the speed that they go at. So we're not stopping and starting. And so that's pretty good. And then the other thing you get is team access. Like you get access to our high level team behind the scenes. So Claudia is our director of operations and Raina manages the staff. These are the two pivotal people that actually built the entire company with us, along with us. Claudia was one of our earliest hires, and so you can ask them whatever you want to know. Claudia will be happy to craft specific things for you, like she made PDFs for people last time around. And then all along the way, there's just it's a big, long Q&A session. So ask us questions about your operation that you're struggling with. Ask us questions about ours that you're more curious about. We're happy to answer anything and everything within reason. You know what I mean? So that's what you get. And there's obviously more to it. There's an agenda here attached that you can have a look at, but it'll give you like the nitty gritty detail. Please note that agenda is subject to change. After people sign up, we're going to send out a survey asking you what you want to specifically learn. We're going to try and focus it a little bit so that agenda might drift a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely. So it is organized. It is super impactful. It's packed full of knowledge and just different things you guys are going to learn real time. But really, let's talk about the Albuquerque advantage too. This is one of the best times to come to New Mexico. If you guys have never come to the Great Southwest, it is beautiful this time of year. It is like, it really puts on a show here in Albuquerque. You've got green chili roasting, you got the fall colors coming in, you've got the balloon fiesta, which is really why we put it on these dates, because it's one of the biggest, most photographed events in the whole entire world. I think it still is, at least, and it's really, really fun. And so you can stay a little longer after the event and see the balloon fiesta if you want on that weekend. After the 3rd, it starts on the 4th through the 12th. So if you want to plan a longer trip, stay in Albuquerque or go up to Santa Fe even. A lot of students did that last year. The last few times that we've done this. So, but yeah, this business was built in this market with these challenges. You're going to see kind of like how we did it in this market and how you can pivot it and model that in your market. This is not theoretical case studies. That you're seeing, again, the real business serving real New Mexican families, really how we're doing it just in this market. And again, it's going to be a very impactful experience. And again, if you've never experienced Balloon Fiesta, you're going to be able to understand why we're so proud to call this place home. It's a beautiful, beautiful time of year, and a great time to come out and see the culture and just the traditions that we have here in New Mexico. So tell them why we're limited to 20 people, Brandon.
I will, but I want to talk about Balloon Fiesta.
Okay, let's do it.
So Balloon Fiesta, just people listen to this podcast all over the world. Balloon Fiesta is hot air balloons that come to Albuquerque every year. It's been going on since the 70s. It is the largest gathering of hot air balloons in a single place in the world. There are thousands, I think, that go. And what you'll see, especially on the first day, on our event is October 1st through 3rd. Balloon Fiesta starts on the 4th, which is a Saturday. That Saturday morning, there is a thing called Mass Ascension. And all of those balloons will essentially go up at the exact same time. And it looks insane, but it's very cool. So if you were going to come to the event, I highly recommend at least going to watch that first Mass Ascension on Saturday morning. Bonus points if you want to stay the weekend. Santa Fe's there. You could take the tram up to the top of the Sandias and look down on those balloons coming up. There's lots of cool things to do around that time. But so yes, we are capping it to 20 people. Why are we capping it to 20 people? That's the number we found where we can actually get one-to-one time with everyone. It's actual mentorship. So everyone's going to get value from the experience. You get face-to-face time to ask hard questions of people. We could lower the price and sell 200 seats, but at that point, it's just, now it's an event. Like now it's a show, and we have to have music and DJs and all kinds of stuff, and no one would know anybody at the end of it. Like, we're trying to keep it intimate on purpose. So, if you're looking for a guru-esque motivational speech and some feel-good talk, like that's not what we're here for. What you're coming for is to see the unglamorous, detailed, systematic approach to how we do everything behind the scenes. So if that's what you want to see, then you should definitely hit us up. 2026, as we're recording this, is 6 months away. So the question isn't whether you want to grow, it's whether you're willing to do what growth actually requires. And investing in your business, in your future, this is personal development and learning from other people that have gone there before you. So that's what we're trying to do.
Absolutely. And that's the best way to learn, is not on your own mistakes, not through procrastinating and being unclear of what to do. It's find a mentor, find someone that has the results you want to achieve, and model that success. So that's what we're inviting you guys out to do, is just get super close to your mentors, model and follow in our footsteps, so you guys can compress time and get there faster to your goals. So really, guys, what we want you to do next is join us at the live event. It's not, there's probably a million excuses you could be making. It's too far, it's too expensive, maybe next time. We've heard them all, and we've had a lot of people say, I wish I would have come to one of these a lot sooner. I wish I would have joined the Mastermind a lot sooner. So for the people that do show up, they're the ones that walk away and are growing much, much faster, have a lot more confidence and clarity of what to do next. And again, it just solidifies the knowledge of what you guys, even if you already have access to the course and the coaching and the mentorship we do, still, this is just the cherry on top. It just brings everything together for people. So yeah, for those of you that will show up, you're going to get an amazing experience. You're going to meet us in person. I think you're going to walk away. I know you're going to walk away, because everyone does walk away just, kind of just, wow, like this is amazing. I'm so glad I came, right? And you're going to learn so much. So we're betting our reputation on this event. We're opening our books, our systems, our team to you. Most people can't believe we even do that, right? Who does that? Who else in the world do you know that is opening up their multi-million-dollar cleaning business to show you behind the scenes how we run it, how we do it, everything behind the scenes? No one else is doing that. So this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, guys. Again, we don't know if we're going to be doing this again, because a lot of things are changing here in the coming months for us. So if you have been on the fence about coming out, make this the opportunity, make this the event. Do whatever you have to do to make it happen. Invest in your business. When you commit, that's when the magic happens, right? So double down on what's working. Come out, see us. And yeah, I guess the only question is, are you ready to bet on yourself, right? And it's October 1st through the 3rd. There's 20 spots, first come, first serve. So stop consuming content and start implementing systems. Come out and be truly inspired. In person is the most influential. It's the most impact you're ever going to get outside of, on a Zoom call or something else with us. So we'll see you in Albuquerque, or we won't. It's your choice, right? But essentially, it's going to be an amazing time. We might never do this again, and we want to see you guys seriously thrive and seriously grow, and we know it's going to make an impact on you. So tell them where they can go pick up tickets, Brandon, and what else we can. I guess if there's any other details to tell them. So
it's profitcleaners.com/live event. Remind you that it's capped at 20 people, so it's first come, first serve basis. Also, Shane touched on it briefly, but he said this might be the last one that we do. That's not some marketing gimmick to tell you that, hey, this is the last one, you should definitely get in. There are some big changes behind the scene, and we can't talk about it right now, but I think this probably will be the last event that we do under this format. Like, there will probably be some other things in the future, but I think it will look a lot different. So if you are into the behind the scenes open books tour of Sandia Green Clean, this I think might be your last chance. So 20 people, profitcleaners.com/live event.
Right. And we'll put the details on the event page. We might have that ticket price include, one additional guest on your team, but we'll put the details on the page for you. And also there's lots of testimonial videos on that page. When you go to profitcleaners.com/live event, you can see a lot of the other people that have come in years past and just hear some of their stories and some of their testimonials of how impactful it was for them. And the last event we did here earlier this year in April, it was really, really fun. You're going to love some of the videos from guys like Richard. I mean, just like some of these people that are just like you guys. They're in small towns, they're in big markets, they're all running cleaning businesses, and it's just so inspiring to get together and meet other people doing it, all different levels. You can learn from each other, you can learn from us. We all learn together. A rising tide raises all ships, and that's why we do it, guys. We get better teaching this stuff. We all get better, when we come together with that team spirit and just learning together. So yeah, go check it out, guys. It's out there. We gave you guys a little more time this time instead of just 30-40 days like we did last time, but we still had a great event last time, even though we pulled it off last minute. So yeah, come out in October, come see the balloons, come eat some amazing New Mexican food with us. It's going to be a great time, and I think something you'll never forget, and you'll be able to take back to your business and grow it 10x and beyond. So profitcleaners.com/live event. We'll see you guys there in October. And until then,
keep it clean.
Keep it clean.